Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Harish Asif Khan and today we are going to be exploring the friction, which is a fundamental concept in physics. We will cover the definition, the microscopic origins, the types, advantages, disadvantages and the methods for reduction. What is friction? Friction opposes relative motion between surfaces in contact and it is measured in newtons and acts opposite to motion. Friction exists in solid, liquids, and gases. Now, the microscopic view of friction, even seemingly smooth surfaces are rough at a microscopic level. These tiny contact points interlock, creating resistance. Basically, we see a smooth surface and we say that surface is so smooth, but if you see that surface with a microscope, you will indeed realize that it is not that smooth, it is very rough. So perfectly smooth surfaces do not exist in reality. Sliding friction, it is a type of friction. It occurs when two objects move against each other. For example, the rim brakes apply pressure to the wheel rim. Now, resistance is created. The pad presses against the rim, generating friction to slow the bike. Advantages of friction. Friction enables us walking. Basically, shoes grip to the ground. They prevent slips. And tire grip roads, they allow the vehicles to drive safely. And even friction helps nails and screws securely be held in place. We have some disadvantages of friction. It slows motion. It impedes the movement of objects. It also produces heat and causes wear and tear in machinery, and a lot of energy is lost when overcoming frictional forces. Now, if I want to reduce friction, I can polish a surface. When I polish a surface, it smoothens the surface, thereby reducing the friction. Now I can also convert sliding friction into less resistant rolling friction. Now I can also use lubricants like oil and grease. They decrease friction between moving parts. Now I'll give you a sort of practical demonstration that you can apply in your home. If you slide a book directly on a table, it will require more effort due to friction. Now if you place the pencils which are going to be acting as rollers under the book, sliding it will become much easier. This is an example of sliding friction because the friction is reduced. Instead of placing the book directly on the table, which requires more friction, you place the pencils under the book and it becomes much easier to slide it. I hope you guys liked my lecture. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so I can get more views. Thank you.